This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Patricia McMillan. Looking for one of the best values and most awesome lake vistas in the maintenance-free resort lifestyle in the Del Webb 55 plus community? If so, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath plus den villa, Serenity floor plan, is the perfect home for you. This bright, open and immaculate gem is like new and shows better than a model. With a total of $54,000 in upgrades, its many features include its covered and screened extended lanai, hand-scraped wide plank bamboo floor in the master bedroom, ceramic tile on the diagonal, custom wood wall under the kitchen peninsula, 8 doors, California custom closets in bedrooms, 42 kitchen cabinets, whole house Kenetico water filtration system with reverse osmosis in the kitchen, plantation shutters and custom roll blinds, crown molding, outdoor low voltage lighting, updated landscaping, hanging storage racks in the 2-car garage, rain gutters, tray ceilings, ceiling fans and much more. This community offers a feeling of a permanent vacation with an amenity-rich lifestyle. A heated resort-style pool and spa, with a poolside restaurant, world-class fitness center, an activity director, with many daily social and physical fitness events, tennis, pickle and bocce ball, a Wi-Fi cafe, card room and clubhouse all add to its appeal. Centrally located and close to I-75, the UTC Mall, fine restaurants, shopping, the many cultural venues of Sarasota and all that Lakewood Ranch living has to offer. Close to everything but away from it all, a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Patricia McMillan at 954-693-0100.